Hi children, today we are going to discuss about next chapter in our Chinese school math syllabus, that is distance, time and speed. It is very important for both 5th class and 8th class. From this chapter we get the 2 or 3 questions, so that's why we need to concentrate more here. Okay, we have already seen units in measurements that will help in this chapter also, so please go through that units once again. Okay, especially length units, kilometers, meters, those are the very important. Okay, so what is meant by distance? First word in our chapter, that is distance. What is meant by distance? Distance means that the path between 2 points. For example, if we need to travel from Anantapur to Hyderabad, are the 2 destinations. From this Anantapur to Hyderabad we have some specific direction is there or not? Okay, or Bangalore to Hyderabad, some specific path is there or not? So this path contains some length, that path will be measured in terms of kilometers. Okay, so distance, what do you mean by distance, Nana? Distance, it is the path between 2 points is called what, Nana? Distance. The path between 2 points is called distance. So let's consider about 2 points. For example, Bangalore to Hyderabad. So Bangalore to Hyderabad, B to H. So Bangalore to Hyderabad, there is some distance is there or not? Okay, there will be 550 kilometers. This is the distance. 550 kilometers is the distance between Bangalore to Hyderabad. Okay, that is the distance. Next one is time. Okay, time. Next one is time. Very important in our life, that is time. We don't need to waste any time, right? So what I mean by time? So how much period required to cover certain distance? Okay, how much period, how much time we will take to cover certain distance is called time. Okay, how long will it take to cover certain distance is called time. It's called time. For example, if we need to travel from Bangalore to Hyderabad, they will take almost 10 hours of time. And it is taking some time is not. Okay, manaki time kachitanga cover avutundani ante time required kada ikkada kachitanga it will take some time to travel from Bangalore to Hyderabad. Okay, in general time will be measured in terms of hours and seconds, that is the time. Next one is most important thing, that is the speed. Next one is speed, very important term in whole chapter, that is the speed. What do you mean by speed? We already know the distance time. So what do you mean by speed? So speed is defined as the rate of change of distance. The rate of change of distance is called speed. So what do you mean by rate of change of distance? Okay, with respect to time, if we cover distance, that is called the speed. For example, if I need to travel from Bangalore to Hyderabad, so there are some stations are there, right? For example, Bangalore to Anantapur to Hyderabad. So Bangalore to Anantapur, they will take 4 hours of time. Anantapur to Hyderabad, it will take 6 hours of time. So it takes some period of time is there or not? With respect to time, we are covering some distance. Okay, time cover avutu, distance cover avutu unte, that is called the speed. Nana. Okay, the rate of change of distance is called speed. What do you mean by speed? The rate of change of distance. The rate of change of distance is called is called speed. So the formula of speed is speed equals to distance by time. Speed equals to distance by time. Right, Nana? From this speed formula we can get two more formulas. Those are distance and time. So by transferring this time ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తుందన్న డివిజన్ చేస్తుంది. అటు సైడ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తే ఇట్ విల్ బి మల్టిప్లైడ్. వి గెట్ ద డిస్టెన్స్. Distance equals to speed into time. These are the formulas, Nana. Very important formulas. We must learn these formulas. Okay, very important formulas. And then time, I require the time required, Nana. So we require the time. So speed in this speed ikkada 6 side transfer cheste it will be divided by. So time equals to okay, distance by speed. Okay, these are the three basic formulas in this entire chapter. These are the three basic things. Okay, next we will go for the problems based on these three formulas. So first problem, so come to this first problem. What they have given, very important basic problems. I've got that what is by distance, what is by time, what is by speed, right? Now come to the problems. A car traveled 180 kilometers in 6 hours. Now we have to write the given data in terms of distance, time and speed. Distance, time, speed lo rayalana. So mana kilometers lo kanivandi, meters lo kanivandi unte, that is the distance, right? Distance or length we have already seen in measurements. So ikkada 180 kilometers undi kada, this is the distance. They have given the distance equals to 180 kilometers undi nana. And hours means that what, Nana? Time. Hours is time is in terms of hours or seconds. So one thing you need to remember, that kilometers unte time hours lo undali, meters lo unte seconds lo undali. That is the relative. Okay, kilometers hours, meters seconds lo undali. You need to remember that. Kilometers hours lo undi, problem ledu. Now we need to find the speed of the car. So speed of car equals what is the speed of car formula, Nana? Distance by time. We need to use that formula. Distance by time. So how much distance it traveled? 180 kilometers. How much distance it has traveled? 180 kilometers by what time it taken, Nana? 6 hours. 6 hours. So we can cancel, right? 6 ones are 6 3s are. So speed of the car is 30 kilometer per hour. 30 kilometer per hour. So unit of speed, very important, unit of speed is kilometer per hour or meter per second. Units, kilometer per hour or meter per second. Very important, Nana. What are the units of speed? Kilometer per hour or meter per second. Here we have the distance in terms of kilometers, time in terms of hours. That's why it will be kilometer per hour. Next one. Look at the next question. A train is running at 75 kmph. What is meant by kmph? Kmph means that kilometer per hour, Nana. So they have given that speed. They have given that kilometer per hour anedi a units, Nana? Speed. They have given that speed of train. Speed of train is 75 kmph. Speed of the train is 75 kmph. How far means that what, Nana? How far means that how long, it means that how far means that how much distance it traveled in 4 hours. Ante in the time of 4 hours how long it traveled. Okay, enta distance travel ayindi. Now come to this one. Look at here. Okay, distance formula, Nana. Distance equals to speed into time. We need to use this formula, right? Distance equals to speed into time. That formula we need to use here, then we can find the distance. So distance equals to speed into time. Speed into time. So what is the speed? We have 75 kilometer per hour. Okay, kilometer per hour, hour. Problem is 75 into 4. Distance will be in terms of kilometers. 75 into 4 kilometers. So distance equals to 75 into 4. What will be the answer? Distance equals to 300 kilometers. Distance will be in terms of kilometers. So units are the criteria here, major criteria. Okay, units are the major criteria. We need to concentrate more at units. Okay, now come to the next third question. Simple questions. These are the simple questions. You need to concentrate more. Okay, a plane, you know that aeroplanes running at 300 kmph. Okay, what they have given? Speed they have given. Running at kmph means that is the speed of the plane. Speed of the plane is 300 kmph. Okay, how long will it take to cover 900 kilometers? How long? Kilometers means that what? They have given the distance. They have given the distance. So 900 kilometers cover avvadaniki how long and how much time it taken. So how long means that we need to find the time. We need to find the time taken by the plane to cover 900 kilometers. To find the time, what is the formula we have now? Read this formula. Time equals to distance by speed. Time equals to distance by speed. Distance by speed. We have to use this formula. Sorry, distance by speed. So how much distance we have? 900 kilometers. 900 kilometers by what is the speed of the plane? 300. Okay. You can cancel the 0, 0, 0 are cancelled, 3 1s are 3 3s are. So 3 is the answer. 3 means that time equals to 3 hours. Time equals to 3 hours. Okay, train taken 3 hours to cover 900. Sorry, plane takes 3 hours to cover 900 kilometers. Okay, these are the basic problems. So here we need to remember one thing: units are the major criteria in distance, time, and speed. From this chapter, all the chapters, remaining all the chapters are majorly based on units. So please concentrate units. Okay, and one more thing is there, very important topic in our distance, time and speed, that is the conversions. Okay, kilometer per hour to meter per second to kilometer per hour. That will be discussed in the next class. Okay, no need to worry, that is the simple topic. Okay, no need to worry, but you need to learn these basics very well. So go through these basics once again. If you didn't understand this video, please rewind this video. You can understand at any point. Please go through this video. So first of all, you need to learn the distance. What do you mean by distance? What do you mean by time? What do you mean by speed? And we have to learn the formulas: speed, distance, and time. And we have the basic problems related to these formulas, these 3 formulas. Okay, analyzing the given data is the major criterion. So please go through this concept again and again. You get the clear idea. Okay, thank you guys. This is the today's topic, and we will discuss the problems and conversions related to this chapter. Thank you guys.